Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, friends of Pons EU Forum English. Well, this is my first rather experimental video blog. A piece of blogging. I must admit I'm not exactly well prepared for this. I should have corrected my tie, but in fact I haven't got a tie. But I don't think I need one to tell you today the most important thing. If you go to Forum Pons EU, you always get the best answers for the best questions, your questions. Now, if you want not only to know what something is in English, but how it looks, then watch out for Pons Forum English on Facebook. Since I'm on Facebook all the time and you are on Facebook all the time, this is the thing to do. It's easy. Forum Pons EU English Forum. It's not cheap, it's free. It's fast, it's green, it's Pons. Thank you, have a nice day.